So what we have here is essentially the basis of field archaeology. We're digging a hole right now. That's, we dig holes, but we do it in a systematic manner. And what we're looking for is actually changes in the dirt. So changes in the consistency of the dirt, in the color of the dirt, and those can tell us a lot about what we're actually seeing. So on the top, we expect to see a little bit of a darker brown color like what you see right here. And that has to do with the organic matter, but also people leaving stuff on the top. So what's really nice about this little trench right here is you can see that dark brown layer on the top, and it gets a little bit lighter as it goes down, but we were still finding archaeological material in here, things that people were burying or dropping, etc. And then when we get down a little bit further, you see it turns quite red, in fact. And that is a very, very stony layer. There's lots of rocks, pieces of chert, which is a type of stone that was actually used to make stone tools, and this sandy red sort of dirt. So that means that we're probably in a natural deposit. We're no longer finding archaeological remains, and that's generally when we stop digging. All right, so when we take the dirt out of the trench, it just looks like dirt, right? But it's actually sometimes holding secrets that we can't quite see when we're actually just digging, right? Because we don't see everything that's covered in dirt. We don't see all the little tiny things that, are maybe not absurdly or absolutely visible, rather, to the eye. So what we do is we take the dirt and we sift it. So my wonderful assistant, John, here is going to show us how we sift. We throw the dirt into this nice metal grate right here. Take it away, John.
Don't mind if I do, Alex.
And what he's doing right now is he's getting all of the small dirt particles out of there. So what's left on the metal grate are just rocks, and if there are any artifacts, the smaller artifacts that we didn't catch when we were excavating the first time. So a lot of this is just, stuff that we'll throw out anyways, but it's still important for us to do so that we most thoroughly analyze all the dirt that we get out of the trench. Otherwise, we might miss something. So, good job, John.
Thanks.